Some teachers will ask students to submit a link to their work on It's Learning. In order to have a link to your work, the file has to be stored on either Google Drive or Office 365, OneDrive. In this assignment, the teacher is giving them a template that they need in order to enter ongoing information. The teacher asks, please provide a link to your template. And then she gives very good instructions on how to do this. So I'm going to go through these instructions with you. The first thing that she says is that here's the file. You need to open it and create one for yourself. So we're going to go ahead and click on the file. This is in Excel. And here it's going to open. And we're going to select Enable Editing. And we need to save this. So she has instructed us to save this as our last name and then Spencer Budget. So I'm just going to let XXX stand for our last name. And she did say put it in Downloads. So if you scroll up here, you go to Downloads, and we're going to save it right here in Downloads. Okay, and save. Now even though we have not entered any information, we have saved it, and now we need to upload it to our OneDrive for Business. This will give the file a link as well, since this is an online drive. So I'm going to come over here to OneDrive for Business. I'm going to choose the word Upload, and then I'm going to go to Downloads because that's where I saved it. Now I need to find that file. Here it is. Okay, or you can just scroll down. Sometimes it's easier to just start typing it and let it come up on its own. There it is. And say Open. Now you can see that this file has been added to my OneDrive. Because it's on the OneDrive, it now has a link associated with it, so we need to find that link. Click the three buttons next to the three dots, next to the file name. And then on the bottom of this menu in the gray here, it says Share. We're going to click the word Share. And then in this menu, we need to click Get a Link. So we're going to choose Get a Link. And then we're going to come down here to the Edit portion, and we're going to choose Create Link. Here is the link that we need to share with our teacher. So we're going to click on it, and then we need to copy it. Hold down your Control button and push the letter C, and that will copy the link. And then we are going to go over back to It's Learning. We're going to choose the Answer button here. We're going to scroll down and click inside this text box. Then we are going to click the chain link. We're going to click in the URL box, and we're going to hold down our Control key and press the letter V as in Victor, and that will paste our link into the URL box. And then we need to choose this OK button here. Now if we click off, you'll notice that it is a HTTPS, which is a web address, and it's underlined and in blue, which signifies that there is in fact a link attached. Then we just choose our Submit button, and that sent that link over to our teacher, and she can now get to our spreadsheet. And every time we update our spreadsheet, as long as she clicks the link after our update, she will be able to see everything we do, but there is no need to re-upload or re-give the link.